YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Testing Gwababa Season 1, Episode 2. You feel me? I don't have an intro. Let me not waste anybody's time. Let's just get straight into the video. Shwak. Alright, babe. Who am I here with?
Mpo.
Alright, babe. I'm
Spiceman.
Spiceman.
Sure.
Spice. So, we'll tell I'm a spice. This is just a car. Boy, there's like I fuck with the drip, boy. No cap. Cordro. Like you clean, my boy. You clean, my boy.
What?
When I say women's conference. Anyways, do you get hands?
Nah.
You don't get hands?
Nah, I'm locked in.
You're locked in, like, oh, feed. Like, how often do you talk to Hans?
What kind of question is that?
Like, maybe like...
So here's the thing. I have a business. I have a spice shop right here, Eastland Street, 5649.
5649.
And obviously, I interact with customers every day. And
straight up.
And I sell spices.
Oh, you talk to Hans and shit. I been in. That's the hustle. Anyways,
sure.
do you have Gwababa?
Gwababa? I don't know, man.
You don't know? I bet. Let's test.
Nah.
Let's test.
Nah.
Wait, I'm gonna choose.
Okay,
these
so
are the
these are the dollies.
These are the dollies.
That's
Which
fine.
one do you want?
Which one wants me?
I'm gonna choose for you.
No, they can choose for themselves.
Where I'm phone now.
Answer the question.
Saucy pull up. Saucy pull up. Okay, my boy.
What's up?
She's bad, ne?
Ukraine.
She's bad, ne? Don't talk to her. She's mine. So now, you gotta claim her.
No, you saying she's bad?
She's bad, ne? Like bad.
She is.
Like bad.
Bro,
like bad in what way?
Bro, she's bad. Like Betty. She's a Betty.
For you.
Bro, this is bad for everybody.
Yeah.
But okay, let me not talk too much.
I'll give her a 5.
Nah, hey.
You're a 5.
Talk to her. Hey, wait. What are you doing? Talk to her. You will speak. She will speak.
Okay.
Talk to her. Don't get her numbers, bro.
Her number?
Yeah.
Aye. So I must get a number on camera. Good. So what's your name?
Sosie.
Sosie. Is that your real name?
Stage name.
So you sing?
Yes.
So your name is Mpo?
Yes.
My name is Mpo.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So isn't that enough to get your number? Huh? Mpo and Mpo. Huh?
Don't forget the mic.
But I asked you a question. Isn't that enough?
Yeah,
I think it is. I think it is. So I get a number and then that's
You speak. She speak. You speak. She speak.
Okay.
You begging her, boy?
No, I'm not. I'm not. Just enjoy. You can. Fuck your number and then. I smell good and it's. Yeah, I do. I know that's why you fucking number. It's the right number, ne?
Yeah.
Sure, no problem. Hey, gents, I have to go there. I have to go. I think.
Let me answer.
Her number is here.
Let me answer. Okay, wait. Sure, let me see. It's valid. Okay, anyways, out of 10,
She's a 5.
why a 5? She's bad, boy.
I have a type.
She's not your type.
Nah.
You.
My type is dark skin.
Oh.
If she was dark, then yeah.
No problem. When is he your type?
Yeah, he is.
He is. Out of 10,
I gave him 9.
9.
Yeah.
Solid 9. Boy, Kava, she's giving you a 9. She's giving you a 9.
I know. I know. So Facebook, Spiceman Outcast. The business is the Blaze Foods. It's a spice shop, food production company. 5649 Eastland Street. Ofuna ukupeka. Fika my spice.
Straight up. Uphekile ne? Uphekile ne?
Shout out, boy. Shout out.
Oh, okay, I bet, man. Shout out. Where are the others? Okay.
You don't say you don't like it.
It's Allah, mate. You don't run away. Come here. Woza. Wait, listen. Come here. Look what we got in the building, man. We got a big 7 in the... Bro, hold on. Wait. I'm asking you questions.
No, cut it.
Nah, it's Allah. No.
You know that.
I heard
you, dog.
Listen. What matter?
We're gonna hide.
When I look... Sure, pull up. It doesn't matter. Pull up. No, man. Who? Straight up, who am I here with?
Who the fuck, nigga? You know who you were here with.
Man, I don't know who the fuck you is. Who is you?
Nigga, you know FK Savvy.
Straight up, exactly. I know you, then people don't know you. Okay, but I'm here with FK Save you. Boy, you clean, my boy. You clean. How often do you talk to Hans?
I don't talk to Hans.
What do you do? Like, do you get babies?
No, I don't get baddies. And
don't
I
get
know what
babies.
you're trying to do.
Hold on. Do you have Gwababa? Do you have Gwababa?
Yes, I have it.
Today we're gonna fix it, bro. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna pull out. Come back. Okay, come back. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. For money, pull out.
Do not say that thing of
Pull out.
shelling and shelling.
No, you're not shelling her.
No.
Wait, you wait here. I'm gonna ask you for money. Pull out. Pull out. Hold on. You cannot run. It's too late.
Too late.
Okay, Bambala. She's bad, ne?
Yeah?
Okay, she's bad. Just look at. Nimlande orkan. One of a kind. Twaramu. How? Cook. Talk to her. You speak. She speaks.
I don't know how to talk to. I don't know how to talk to in front of the camera. Switch off the camera, then I'll show you what I have.
Blur your face. Yeah, cook for the content. Cook.
No.
Something
I don't
You
know.
are
Maybe
shaking
she
my
cook for
car.
me.
Even shaking was not enough.
That's your job. You're supposed to do that.
Okay,
Dog, I just pull up on you,
Talk to her.
dog.
Just talk to her.
Why me? He's supposed to be doing that. He's gonna run away. He already-
Ngikutshelile musithini nebhababa ngikutshelile.
Bad.
Why are you
Bad. Okay,
shaking?
don't run. Don't run. Listen. Okay, ngithathile ke mina mic. Come. Let me ask you a question. Okay, I know, ne. I know she's bad. I know
Nobody
she's
likes
bad.
cameras. Trust me.
Ane,
I also
cover.
don't.
But he has a station.
I know she's bad. Ne.
You
You got motion.
Have you seen me on a video, dog?
Yes.
Have you seen me on a video?
Yes.
I have a stage name, but not on a video. And Kevin watch.
Okay, listen. Okay, is she bad? Is she bad?
No, she's a 10.
She's a 10?
Yeah, she's a 10.
Is she your type? Just answer the question, at least. You are not shellering her. Is she your type?
Mina, I don't carry type, dog. Whatever works, dog.
Whatever works.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Wena, do you like him?
Lack of confidence. No.
Lack of confidence. Out of 10, umretangaki.
I'm sorry. I'm just honest. Out of 10.
No, like,
Can I?
would you look at this unexpectedly?
Yeah.
Niyafika and mina vele ngigolile ngisibuyela Spanish.
Awuncolanga, you ain't dirty. Does he look dirty to you? You're not
I
dirty.
had a bad day.
Okay.
And then I saw my bro right here. He's trying to do some content. Dog, fuck. So
What does that have to do with the video?
you know that I don't
Talk
like
to
videos,
her.
dog.
Just talk to her.
I don't wanna talk. Dog.
Gwababa.
Yeah.
Cuckoo. Babe. Did you rate the nigga? You said what? 3.
I didn't rate him.
That one. Okay,
He
umpangaki.
ran away.
Umpangaki.
I'll give him a. No, like
Be
you have
honest.
lack of confidence. You don't trust yourself.
And then you are handsome.
Why? Like you literally ran away before you even saw me. Like that's weird. It's creepy as fuck. You can't do that.
Pull up.
Cook, man.
You cannot stand there, boy. You cannot stand
Men's
there.
conference.
You never know if you'll get a chance or not
Yeah.
if you run away.
Don't disappoint me.
Exactly.
Save it. You just cook, boy. Take.
I don't wanna cook.
Cook.
dog.
Boy, just cook.
When the hand is raising you.
Gonna change it, dog.
She gave you
Why are you shaking? Do you need water? Can we get you water? Are you okay? Can I feel your temperature? Oh my gosh, you're having a fever. Don't do that. Breathe in.
This is not my fault.
Hula. Breathe, nigga.
Don't let her raise you.
Breathe. Don't do that to yourself. Oh my gosh.
Cook.
That's stress, man.
Bring your dignity back, my boy. Cook.
Trust me. You've got this. I trust
Gwababa.
you. I
Gwababa.
trust you.
So you gonna stand there? Why you gonna stand there?
Like It's literally exercising.
Just talk to her randomly. Okay, I pay.
Now I'm actually giving you a second chance to actually talk.
She likes you.
Money. Nobody got a second chance, by the way.
I don't want that.
Oh, okay. Gwababa,
No, it's fine, guys.
Voila. Why are you crying? Okay, say. Hey, boy. Man, I felt so bad, boy. Sevi, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, man. It was just content, bro. Nothing personal, you feel me? I felt bad after this shoot. I thought you weren't gonna disappoint me, though. Gwababa, nigga, damn.
Oh, it's K.
Okay, Buena?
$D.
$D.
Yeah, $D.
Okay, you looking clean. Diesel, no way.
Yeah, away for the D for the diesel.
Successful
D
living.
for the deck, you know. Yeah, away.
Hey, okay, so like, it's like, how? Oh, easy. Okay, there's no way you don't get hands.
Definitely I get on.
How often do you talk to women?
Every day, bro.
For real?
I just spoke to a hand right now.
I bet. When?
It's like a 9 to 5.
9 to 5.
Yeah.
It's your job.
My job.
Ladies, come here. Yes, come here.
I like you. What's your name?
Wait.
Oh, I should wait. Oh, okay.
Wait. Okay, Saucy, you. Okay, number 2. You stand right there first. Hamba naye. Ungamkhulumi isne. Makakhuluma yawa. Okay, I pay my brother. Wait.
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting.
Bambala.
Oh, the mic.
Yeah, don't disappoint me. Talk to her.
Yeah. What's your name?
Saucy.
Saucy.
Yeah.
Don't forget is the sauce in there though?
I really don't know. Why are you asking me that question?
Do you think I can find out though?
Nah.
Nah. What do you mean by nah?
No, you can't.
Yeah, shit. Angisazi ukuthi ngithini. Should I talk in Zulu?
Yeah.
In Afrikaans? What race are you?
My petty.
Oh, bu, abule.
Yeah, Gabriel.
Oh, bro, I like you. Can you share little 60? Oh shit. Can I grab it?
No.
Let me give you a hug there.
Don't fight.
No, that's not a hug. I like it.
Hey.
Get your numbers after this.
Cool.
Nah, off camera.
Cool.
I'm serious.
Yeah, cool.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me kiss you on the neck for the channel.
No.
Just for the channel. Just for the channel.
I'm dating.
You're dating?
Yes.
Why are you giving me somebody who's dating, bro?
Well, like,
You dating?
her man is not a mountain, boy.
can fix
The nigga can be moved. Move the nigga.
I know that, but then, like, she said she's in a serious relationship.
That's a problem you have to fix.
Break it.
I can't break a relationship before. Yeah, I'm gonna text you on the side. I know man no get like obviously I've been drinking, but I really like you. Let me get your text.
Now.
Yeah, definitely now. What do you mean?
No way.
You. No way.
No,
On camera.
I can't give
It's
you
a quack.
Huh?
No, I can't give you.
You can't give me more times.
Wait, you overcooking.
Oh, sure.
You have confidence, ne? Can I like?
You do have.
Can I pin them in? You have confidence.
Yeah, that's
Sharp.
Yeah,
Like that's what like when a woman's conference yes. I understand it's a queen, but it's just because she has a nigga.
Yeah, definitely.
Yabo. Okay, so anyways, out of 10,
I'm a rater an easy 3. She's alright. Yeah,
easy 3.
easy 3.
That's disrespectful.
You cute and all that, and like
3. Is she your type?
nah, like she my type, but then she's the type of girl I'd fuck with.
Do you wanna be fucked with?
Dude, no.
Dude, no, are you scared?
Okay, anyways, when is he your type?
Be honest. Don't say I'm not your type because I said you're not my type. You mean just be honest. I know I charm you and shit.
Is he your type?
Be honest. You date somebody like me. Thing is, I'm not like. I'm
Sure.
Shit, yeah.
Is he your type?
Yeah. Very honest.
He is.
No.
No, okay.
It's not.
Take off the shyness.
Yo, you wanna my eyes.
She'll be your type.
No. Thing is, I'm not cool.
You will be okay.
I'm
cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
okay.
he's not.
Oh, out of 10.
Why not?
I don't like the way he approached me.
No, I approach you good. You know, like a lot of women these days, they expect their men to be like soft and shit. But a real man like speaks his feelings. Understand? Someone tell me how I feel about it. Off the sport. So I know hey, I like you. Hey, I'ma get straight to the point because I'm a real man. Yeah, umuntu wakho ulogo wathi udlala ngawe hey ngicela ngipha amanamba because babangani, no, I'm not gonna do all that.
Okay.
Yeah. If I want you, I want you. If I don't want you, I don't want you. But then I want you though.
But I got the skibidi rees. I bet. Shut up. Fumani. Yeah, they did.
Did you rate me though?
What happened?
You also wanna come in the video?
Mushana. Yini. Okay, bro, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Little Kenji on TikTok, ne? That's Little Kenji on TikTok. IG. Umnani?
Sure.
100?
Sure.
Usho?
Sure.
Okay, nginobanda.
No stores.
Ban?
Stores.
Okay, so no stores. So stores. I know you inja. You even got the teams on, my boy. You feel me? You cooking. Do you get hands?
Not there.
Basadi. Do you get bafazi?
Yeah.
You do. How often do you talk to women?
I don't
Just
know.
comfort one right now.
Right now.
Right now. So you cook. You don't have Gwababa. Okay, out of 10, it is I could rate
100%.
100%. No man. Fumani, pull up. Which one do you want, eh?
So,
Short one or the tall one? About left. Fumani, pull up. You see, I know you're tired. Okay, Bambala. Hold this for me. Talk to her. Don't just talk to her. We are Kuluma. You give her a chance. You like exchange.
Yeah, unchakaluku ndo tenyange.
Talk to her.
Money twa.
Talk.
Man, unchakaluku ndanya Spanish, man. Hey.
God have mercy upon us.
you're funny guy. Funny.
I'm fit kara.
Yeah, cook her fast.
Kawa.
Like he was confident a second ago.
I'm fit, my man.
We don't like sharing. Like 100%.
100% until.
Shall I'm listening. Talk to me.
Wow, Sarah.
Talk. I'm listening.
Okay. That's how I was saying. That's how I was saying.
But I didn't have a lot.
Mama Galvis.
Fumani, wena.
Like his face, but I don't want to come to customers.
Okay. Like I can't hear you.
What's it? Never I can't do it.
Okay.
I know what you like. Title okay, I like him over so don't like halfly decay. So you know what I was saying. You know what I was saying.
Why go say serious?
I didn't like Sarah. Okay, so
like also splash.
I mean like splash Sarah. Yeah.
Okay.
So if I mind the hair, Jim, I don't put Naru and I get the banner with it.
Okay, it's a bit young.
Like when no motor.
Timothy got the dates. You don't get her.
It's better, my man. So, number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This guy. Number 2. I'm like, Three. Stop with Plasha. Okay, like I don't know. What do you like about me?
Wow. I know. Manish. I wanna the land and I can't hands already cream, but I'm brown. Hey, good too much.
Wait, we're not to Hoshabile and Combra. Can you wish you don't come back? What's wrong to it?
I mean, I run to
it.
Pela, next year, the way link at the Peloton, so how long one be our yeah.
So when I like about a BBL, you like them with a big nyash.
This motor, oh, you mean ngasingwena.
Nah, wait. No, come back. No, come back. No, boy, listen. Nah, boy, listen. Come back. No, listen. Yeah, no. Okay, but she's bad.
I know.
She's bad. Can you like come this side? She's come here. She's bad. Wait. Ungamvali imala. Mamo. What went wrong? What went wrong? Like I'm feeling. But she's bad, but look at she's a 10 out of 10.
I know it's bad, but inside the door, man, it's too much, man.
It's too much. Okay, out of 10,
I think out of 10,
yeah,
he's 7.
7. That's not bad, dude. But it ain't all about the back. She can still clap. Can she?
I can.
I know you bad. Well, okay, is he your type?
No. No.
Out of 10,
Out of 10.
Nah.
Yeah, nah.
I'm gonna give him a solid 4. 3 actually. Sorry.
The numbers keep declining.
I know, it's too much, ne?
Yeah.
But
At least you tried. How was the reason? He didn't reason you, he just came to discriminate.
Nigga.
But it's not bad.
You were supposed to reason
literally
her.
broke my heart into pieces.
You were not supposed to teach her.
Serious?
You were-
Yes.
Wonderful day, yeah.
Okay. No man, like thanks, thanks, bro. Thanks. But man, I don't even understand what's wrong. Bro, these babies are bad, bro. All of them are bad. Let's see. Where they at? I bet. Yes, let's go to them. Pull up. Okay, when you vow with the babies, don't be too far. I bet. Yeah, I see you, boy. So like guys, we're going crazy. You see, I'm not even cutting. It's authentic. I don't know if they fight, then we're gonna drop. But I don't think that they're gonna fight. They're just gonna ride. Let's jump real quick. Hola. Nimnan. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Really?
Really. I need like 2 guys. You and him.
Who and who?
You and him, or you and him.
Whoever's
Choose.
confident.
Just 2. Okay,
Whoever's
man,
confident.
let member. You know what?
Aye.
He's quiet, so I know that he's a member.
Already.
Okay, but the quality is not here. Okay, can you like? Wait, I'm gonna ask you all questions. Simple questions. Simple but tricky questions. Drip check, tattoo check. Like you on flick. You feel me? That's all I want.
Dog, listen, dog.
Sharp, come, pull up.
I understand that you doing for all that shit, dog. So okay, you doing a content and all that, dog, ne? But then as for right now, dog, it's bad timing, my nigga. You know, I can't be there in this content, dog.
That's just 2 minutes.
No.
Just like this. Listen.
So, I understand. You know, I understand.
Okay, let me ask you one question. One question. You would have already been done right now.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, what's your name? Spusiso Sharp. Spusiso, you got tats, my boy. You got, like, you on fleek. You're bad now. You even got them locks on. There's no way you don't get hands.
My man. I think I know what you're doing. No?
Sure.
It's this
It doesn't matter.
Testing reason, all that shit.
No, it's not like that. It's not even testing this.
Yo, guys, this step. Magapaten, my guy.
Is that Gwababa?
What you doing?
I'm saving the
Keep it
country.
up, my guy.
I'm saving the country.
Saving the country.
But it's too late to run away. Now you just gotta like cooperate. I mean, it's too late. Imagine people
late to
gonna
run
see
away.
this. It's too late as fuck.
People can see this.
No, they cannot.
Away, guys. That's what you got.
No ways. Bro, he's literally leaving, bro. I bet. Who am I here with?
Junior.
Who?
Junior.
Junior and
Keleto.
who?
Keleto.
Keleto. Okay, so babe. Boys, do you have motion? Like, do you get hands?
Yeah.
You sure you get baddies?
Like
Like, how often do you talk to women? Hey, nah man, my sister. How about you?
Company.
Yababamba bantwana. Like, sabantwana. Nah man. So, irizi yakho like ungarate out of ngaphi? Like ukushela kwakho ungasho ukuthi blind kanjani?
Nah,
Out of 10.
ngazika 3.
3. Okay, wena?
Angazikawa.
1. Why 1?
Awuyazi angizitsheli ngaleyo ndlela leyo mara ukubamba nyaba.
Okay, don't you love Gwababa though?
I Gwababa obviously into some cheating.
Okay, today we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Ladies, we're fixing it. We're fixing the country now. You feel me, man? I bet. So like, okay, we're not. Please stand right here, and you please stand right here. Okay, so like that, what we gonna do right now, boy, keep the motion to them. Okay, hold it.
Oh.
Talk to her, ne?
Kanjani?
Talk to her. Okay, Tina, can you like decide a little bit?
Kanjani? Ukraine. Nikama la mchunya wena.
Mpho. Yeah.
Mpho pego muhla. Ngiyakhaza. Ayikabe ngicela manje yakungani.
Okay, that's it. What do you like about me?
You're beautiful.
Really?
Really.
Rate me over 10.
10.
Oh.
Nigga 8.
Over 10.
Yeah, 8. Okay, thank you.
You don't cut, ne? You just. You're done. Okay, now come back. Like, okay, so like, what happened? What happened? Then, did you manage to get her numbers? What happened?
Nah, I'm not fooling me.
Also, like, is she your type?
Yeah.
Out of 10, rate like
Nigga 8.
8. Why 8? Where's the 2?
2.
Okay, I understand. Well, is he your type?
No.
Out of 10, rate like
6.
6. Well, but like, how was his reason?
It's not bad. It's good.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it. You should try. I bet. Thanks, ne? Okay, so like you can like, just like. I bet. Now we right here. So like my nigga, this is your time to shine. Do your thing, bro. Don't disappoint me.
Don't disappoint. Hello, Bankamala.
Money.
Kumana.
Yeah.
Jabulelo.
Nice to meet you too.
Uthi uhlala kwahleka.
Around here. Title.
Uthi ngizophuma ngisemazweni.
I know.
You talk to deal.
Uthi uphuma ngale musemazweni mase.
Yeah, I know.
Wena uhlala eThayitona?
Yeah, at the moment.
At the moment. Mangakujabulela ukwazi kangcono mase.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ngiserious.
Why? For what good reason?
Njengale ndlela lengichaze nganje abakhuluma abafethu ngapha. Ngikhazi. Mangakujabulela ukwazi kangcono.
I don't know. I don't think that's a good idea, unfortunately. Sorry.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. You're just not my type, unfortunately. Sorry.
Ngizwisisa ke lo akunankinga ithi ngingasapostele kakhulu yabo ngizophuma isikhuluma ukuthi akunankinga.
What happened? Numbers? Why?
Uthi asingitype ya. It's obvious.
I bet. Okay, is she your type?
Yeah, ngasho yabo.
Well, she's not. I know she's bad. I bet out of 10 rate angeke.
Amfana lo mfana 100 mfana.
100 ne. I know. That's why they call me KG. You feel me? I bet so when is he your type?
No, not really.
But he got
Buze wena kahle kahle ufuna ama type kanjani so?
My type is tall.
I'm told.
Not really that tall. Yeah, my type is someone masculine. Do you exercise? You don't look like you exercise.
You do?
Yeah.
Really? Let me see. No. Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, Tang, you can like come at the top. No problem. Oh, anyways, yeah, nah, you said he's not your type, right? Out of 10,
I'm just gonna give him an okay 5.
5.
Yeah.
No, but 5 is not bad, man. At least you
not,
try.
it's half.
His Riz was in
No, he wasn't.
He was like,
He was not giving vibes.
but when's I?
Bethi mina yakhuluma into bengisho mina ngikhona idanga lezuphela ringile na nje.
Oh, but at least you try. Yeah, but we're fixing the car. Thanks for the time. Not much.
Bye-bye.
So like, I'm testing myself ukuthi ngine Gwababa now because like obviously I can't be doing other people then I don't do myself. Esapi. Is that 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Zwakala ta. Zwakala. Yeah. Now I'm dodging a bullet. 2 minutes. Hey, wow, what? It's been a long time, bro. It's been a long time. I be. This is the cleanest gent ever. Who am I here with? Prino. Sure. As clean as you are, my boy, you get hands. Do you talk to women? How often do you talk to women? Just relaxing.
Sure.
Do you have Gwababa?
Gwababa?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Okay, we're gonna fix that.
Yeah.
Fumani, pull up. No, you cannot. It's too late. You can never run away. Fumani, pull up. She's bad, ne?
Yeah?
She's bad, like bad.
Okay.
Okay. Hold here. I want you to ask me something.
My obvious so
No, okay. You clean. Talk to her.
Yeah?
Talk to her.
Hello.
Hi.
Right.
Shabana.
Okay. Van Kamalako.
Fumani.
Fuman. Oh, I feel the Fuman. Como fecho mara otherwise mina ang pera ito. Eh? Ay, insha. Tanga short,
Just like that.
Ang pera ang like ang ikang shede.
No, I'm shady. You talking to her? What happened?
So ringangan like.
I don't know. Just talk to her. You get to know her better. When you approach her hand, like, okay, nice. Okay.
No, like sugar vele kuna something uifunayo.
Yeah, you can start. Just look at her, but she's bad. You don't see anything that you want. Yeah. Okay, for money, you can take a step back. Sosi, come here. Wait, come. Sosi, come here. Show him. Now we get the ball. What happened?
You running away from the terrace. I wrote you a comments conference.
Gwababa, trust me.
Bro, these babies are bad, boy. Even now, I mean, but anyways, let me teach you how it's done. Let me fumble my shit up. If you want to pull out, bro, hey.
Go pull up. You can't give him what he wants.
Go pull up.
You can't give him what he wants. Don't make it easy.
Okay.
Don't make it easy.
God damn, bro.
No, he's the host. Yes, sir. These two hosts at the same time.
I bet pull up on her money too, but damn, it's crazy business. Okay, I bet, nigga. The quality is enormous. I bet, who am I here with? Let's act like we don't know each other.
Saucy.
Okay, Sosi, ne? Like, we don't know each other, this is our first time linking and doing a collab and shit. I'm just saying because, like, we're working together, so she must not make it hard. She must not make it easy for me, ne? Okay, so, I'm Kenji, ne? But my real name is Avi. Okay. Yeah, straight up. So, like, I saw you walking from a mile and I was like, nah, that's my wife right there. When I look at you, bro, you look so perfect. You look like you were made by God at a very special time, no lies, my boy. You feel me? When I look at you, my boy, it's like you're not from this planet. You're from planet Mars. You special like that. You feel me? When I look at you, I don't see no flaws. You have flaws?
No.
Straight up. I bet. Would you say I'm your type? Be honest. Like, would you say I'm your type? Like, do I fit the criteria and shit?
Yeah.
I kind of do. That's a W. Okay, if I was to ask you for your numbers, would you give me?
Maybe.
Why maybe? Because, man, I'm trying to get to know you better. Maybe one day you might be the mother of my children.
Oh!
I'm already seeing a future. You feel me?
Okay, the nigga's cooking, but...
You see, that's how it's done, bro. I got Nika. Bro, come on, boy. Take me seriously, bro. Take me seriously. Okay, but this is the end of this video. Oh, it's the start or the end. I don't know if I'll put it at the start or at the end, but me, Mr. Gwababa himself, I don't have Gwababa, you feel me? I got this shit on lock. Anyways, shout out, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Also follow the babies, like them. If you want them, type down below which part was your favorite, which girl do you want me to do next, and whatsoever. But I'm gonna keep dropping. Straight up.
Slay.
Stupid.